subject we still haven't decided on yet. We still want to hear some response from the public. And so if you look on our website, www.tscct.org, you can put your reply in there, and we'll receive that and overlook that in the next meeting. There will be an intermission after Act 1. That'll be the only intermission we have tonight. And also, when you leave this place tonight, I hope that you truly feel the magic of live theater. Leave it to a show.
Tell me, Mr. Maverick, is this your first time on a riverboat?
You don't like it? Get him a sheet.
Gee, it stinks in here.
What time is it?
Again, what time is it?
My watch is kind of slow. I don't know what time it is.
You're winning $95. That's what time it is. Where the hell are you running?
Who said anything about running? All I did was ask what time it was.
It's 10:30.
I have to leave by 12. I told you that when I sat down, that I had to leave by 12 o'clock. Didn't I say that, Murray, when I sat down? I had to leave by 12.
Don't talk to him. He's dealing. You tired, sweetheart? Why don't you go lay down?
You want speed or accuracy? Make up your mind.
Can you do me a favor and brief towards New Jersey?
No kidding. I'm really worried about Felix. He's never been this late before. Maybe somebody should call. Hey, Elster, why don't you call Felix?
Why don't we all chip in $3 apiece and buy a new window? How can you leave it here?
How many cards you got? 4?
Yes, we've all got 4 cars. You deal us 1 more, and we'll all have 5. You deal us 2 more, we'll all have 6. You understand how it works now?
Hey, Elster, in or out?
Out, pussycat, out.
I have to be home no later than 1 o'clock. Me and Mimi is leaving tomorrow for a trip to Florida. So I told you guys that. Right?
Hey, baby, don't cry. You're 42 years old. It's embarrassing.
Why doesn't he fix the air conditioner? It's 90 degrees, and he's sitting there sweating like everybody else. Of everything. I'm out. This is.
Who goes to Florida in July?
It's off season. There's no crowd. You get the best room for 1/10 of the price. You do it all the time.
Some vacation. 6 cheap people in an empty hotel.
One of these days.
Dealer takes 4. Hey, you think maybe Felix is sick? I mean, he's never been this late before.
Hey, I'm beginning to recognize things. This is the same garbage from last week's poker game.
I'm out.
Heritage was
Great.
Hey, you think maybe he's in his office locked in the John again? Did you know that Felix was once locked in the John overnight? He wrote out his entire will on a half a roll of toilet paper. What a nut.
Hey, Vinny, stop playing with your chips. I'm asking you nicely. Stop playing with your
I'm
chips.
not playing, I'm counting. Leave me alone. What do you think I'm winning? What, $15 here, man? Come on.
$15? You dropped more than that in your cups.
Hey, Oscar, what do you say?
Oh, man, oh, man.
All right. Nice warm cake for my friend.
Thank you.
And a bag of chips for my friend Roy. I'm sorry, all I got is a ripe banana.
You still didn't fix the refrigerator. It's been 2 weeks now. No wonder it stinks in here.
Aren't you gonna look at your cards?
Oh, what for? I'm gonna bluff anyway. Quit nagging me, Roy. If I want to nag, I'm gonna go back to my wife.
Yeah.
We didn't put in a quarter. Hot shots.
You did.
You got a big mouth, Murray. Just go ahead and loan me $10.
I just loaned you $10 20 minutes ago.
No, you loaned me $20 10 minutes ago. Learn to count, pussycat.
Learn to play poker. I keep winning my own money back.
If you don't have it, you
Picking on me, okay, Roy? Murray, if you don't loan me $10, I'll call your wife, tell you in Central Park we're in insurance.
You want money? Ask Felix.
He's not here.
Neither am I.
All right, you're in for another $20.
Quit saying it.
When you gonna call Felix?
When are we gonna play poker?
Aren't you even worried? It's the first game he's missed in over 2 years.
The record is 15, set by Lou Gehrig back in 1939. I'll call.
How can you be so lazy?
Call me irresponsible and funny that way. Oscar, the poker player here.
Hey, Oscar, if it's my wife, tell her I'll be home by 12.
Look at you once one more time, you get the potato chips right in the mouth.
Debbie who? There's no Debbie here. Oh, Daddy! For Christ's sake, it's my kid!
Oh,
He's going long distance from California. How you doing, bud? Yeah, I got your letter. It came in the mail 3 weeks late. Next time you ask your mom for a stamp. Yeah, I know. You're not supposed to draw it on. All right, bud. Yeah, your mom wants to talk to me? All right. What about your goldfish?
Ain't it up?
Hey, cost you $1. You got $1?
Not after I get through talking to his mother. Hiya, Blanche. Yeah, I got a pretty good idea why you're calling. I'm a week behind with the check, right? 4 weeks? That's just not possible. Because I keep a record of everything I send out around here, and I sent it out last week. No, don't threaten to have my salary attached, Blanche. Because with my alimony and expenses, a prisoner takes home more money than I do. Oh, nice language in front of the kids. Just say goodnight, Blanche. Good night. All right, boys, let's up the stakes. I'm $600 behind in alimony.
She can do it, you know.
What?
Have you thrown in jail for non-support of the kid?
Well, she can't call me once a week to nag and complain she's not happy.
It doesn't bother you that you can go to jail or maybe the kids don't have enough clothes or enough to eat?
Murray, what my kids leave behind after lunch, won't eat for a year. I'm telling you, she's not going to try anything.
But that's not the point. You shouldn't be in this kind of trouble. It's because you don't know how to manage things. I should know. I'm your accountant.
Then how come I don't have any money?
Well, if you don't have any money, how come you play poker?
Because I don't have any money. But you always lose. Listen, I'm not complaining, you're complaining. I'm doing all right. I'm living.
Alone in 8 dirty rooms.
And if I went tonight, I'll buy a broom.
But that's not what you need. What you need is a wife.
Quit nagging me. All right? And don't come to my house and eat my bread.
Hey, what's all the yelling about? We're playing the game here.
Who's playing? We've been 10 minutes a day on my property.
6-7, you idiot. That's why I'm leaving it.
How about I can wipe it out right in the mouth?
All right. Calm down now. Take it easy. I'm a cop, you know. I can arrest a whole lousy gang.
My friend Murray the cop is right. And hey, Roy, say you love me. You know you do. Yeah, that's not good enough. Say you love me in front of the whole poker game. I love you, Oscar Madison.
You know, you just don't take it seriously. You owe money to your wife, your friends, and the government.
Listen, let's just play cards and quit complaining over here. I'm gonna get the phone.
Good hand.
I should be mixing up tonight.
Oscar, the losing poker player here. Oh, hi, sweetheart. How you doing? Yeah. I told you not to call me during the poker. You know I do. All right. Hey, Murray.
I wish you were having an affair with her. Then she wouldn't bother me all the time. Hello, Nene. What's wrong?
What time are you coming home? Oh, I don't know, about 12, 12:30.
I don't know about 12:30. Why? What did you want? A corned beef sandwich Who? Felix. Well, he didn't show up tonight. What's wrong? You're kidding. Well, how should I know? All right. All right. Goodbye, then. Goodbye. Goodbye. Well, what did I tell you? Well, I knew it.
What's up?
Felix. Felix is missing.
What?
Who was missing for 24 hours?
Felix Summers, the man that sits in that chair every week and cleans ashtrays.
What did you missing?
He didn't show up for work today. He didn't come home tonight. No one knows where he is.
You gotta be missing at least 48 hours before you consider this. He's just lost somewhere, you know?
Lost? How could he be lost? He's 44 years old and lives on West End Avenue. What's the matter with you?
Well, maybe he's had an accident.
Oh, no, we would have heard.
Well, maybe he's lying there in the gutter and nobody knows who he is.
Listen, he's got 92 credit cards in his wallet. If anything would have happened to him, all of America would have lit now.
Well, maybe. Yes. You got a suggestion, Vinny?
He's at one of them stupid long movies we go to watch. You know how long they are.
Yeah. Well, maybe he
No
was.
wonder you're going to Florida in July. That's dumb.
Mugged for 36 hours? I don't think so. What are we guessing for? I'll call his wife.
Wait a minute. Just because we don't know where he is doesn't mean somebody doesn't know him. Or where he is. Does he have a girl?
A what?
A girl, we know. Like when you get off work early.
Are you kidding? Felix playing around? He wears a vest and galoshes.
Oh, so you automatically know who does and who doesn't have a girl on the side.
Yes, I automatically know.
Oh, wait, so you're so smart, do I have a girl on the side?
No, you haven't got a girl. What you got is what I've got. What you wish you got and what you got is a whole different civilization. Oscar maybe has a girl on the side.
Oscar, he's divorced. That's different. That's not on the side, that's in the middle.
What are we guessing for?
Oh,
Let me call his wife. Hi, Francis. It's Oscar.
Tell her not to worry. Tell her not to get hysterical.
Yeah, you know how women are.
Hey, the best thing is, not to worry. She's not worried.
Oh, she's not worried.
Really? Oh. No kidding. Wow. All right, Francis. If we hear anything, we'll give you a call. Good night.
You gonna tell us or we hire a private detective?
They broke up.
Who?
Felix and Francis, that's who. The whole marriage is through.
You're kidding.
I don't believe it.
She's had enough.
They were such a happy couple.
After 12 years?
12 years doesn't mean you're a happy couple. It means you're a long couple.
Don't speak to Felix and Francis.
Well, what do you expect him to sit there every Friday night and tell us how to fighting?
What happened?
She threw him out, that's all.
He'll go to pieces. You hear what I'm saying? He's gonna try something crazy.
Not Felix. He sits on the windowsill. Love me or I'll
That's
jump.
all you keep talking about. My wonderful wife. My beautiful wife. What happened?
His beautiful wife, his wonderful wife, threw him out, that's what happened.
He'll kill himself. You hear what I'm saying? He's gonna go out and try to kill himself.
Will you shut up for 2 minutes, Murray? Stop being a cop. Oscar, where do you go?
He went out to kill himself.
What did I tell you?
Are you serious?
Sure I am. Listen, Felix wants to be the biggest crier at his own funeral. He'll come in, slip in the back, be the biggest crier there.
Is that
Right.
exactly what came out of his mouth? I'm going to go kill myself. Is that what he said?
His wife didn't say that. She didn't read it to me.
You mean he left her a note?
Oh, left her a suicide telegram.
A suicide telegram? Who sends a suicide telegram?
Felix the nut, that too. Can you imagine the thing? She even has to tip to get water.
I don't know. I don't get it. I mean, if he's going to kill himself, why should he say
There's a possibility.
Not with Felix. I'm telling you, the guy wears his seatbelt at the drive-in movie.
Isn't it someplace we can look for him?
Where? Where would he go? Where would we go?
Exactly. If you're going to kill yourself, where's the best place to do it? With your friends.
I'll do it.
Hey, hit the door.
Wait a minute. The guy may be hysterical. Just play it nice and easy. If we're calm, maybe he'll be calm.
That's right. Let's do it like those guys in the movies out on the ledge. But keep nice, cool, calm and cool and collected.
What shall we say to him?
We don't say nothing, like we've never heard a thing.
When we're talking amongst yourselves, he could have already hung himself out in the hall.
Remember,
Get the door.
we don't know nothing.
Hey, Felix. Hi, Ben. Hi, fellas.
Oh, hi, Ben. Hi.
How's the poker game going?
Oh, Denny's winning again.
I'm trying to complain. I've got a lot of cards.
Is there any, coke left?
No, not a Coke. Want any ginger ale?
No, I feel like a coke. I don't much feel like ginger ale tonight.
All right. What do we put in there?
It cost me $1, right? Murray.
Murray!
Is that Michelle?
What?
It's up to you.
Why is it always up to me?
It's not always up to you. It's up to you now. What do you say?
I'm in. I'm in.
Did, anyone call about it?
No.
No.
Anybody called for Felix there? No, nobody called. Why?
Well, I just thought somebody might be called.
Raise that fire.
It cost me $1.25, right?
$1.25. For Christ's sake, pay attention!
Get easy.
Oh!
What did it cost me again?
$1.25. $1.25.
Nervous, Murray?
I'm sorry. I can't help it. You make me nervous!
I make you nervous. You make me nervous. You make everybody nervous.
I'm getting nervous.
I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'll kill myself! Sorry.
Gee, that sure is a pretty view from here. What is it, 12 floors?
No, it's only 11, not 12. It's cold in here, isn't it?
That's much better.
Why don't you sit down and play some cards?
That's right. We're not going to be in no rush. We'll be here till 2, 3 in the morning. No, I just don't feel much like playing tonight.
Well, what do you feel like doing?
Oh, no, don't worry about me. I'll think of something.
Where are you going?
To the John.
By yourself?
I always go by myself. Why?
No reason. Felix,
Yeah,
going to be long?
as long as it takes.
Are you crazy? Then you go to John alone?
What do you want me to do? Go in there and help him?
Do something. Stop him.
It's the kid's bathroom. The worst he can do in there is brush his teeth to death. I'm telling you, he's not going to do anything.
There's razors in there. There could be pills in there. There could be anything. He could jump.
No, my God, this window's in there. Turn.
The window's 6 inches wide.
Break the glass, he can cut his wrist.
He can flush himself into the E trigger. I'm telling you, he's not going to do anything.
Listen. Come here. Listen. He's crying. Can you hear that? He's crying. Just listen to him.
That's terrible. For God's sakes. Oscar, do something. Say something.
What do you want me to do with a guy who's crying in my bathroom?
He's coming. He's coming.
Come
something?
Did you take pills?
No, I didn't take anything. Don't call Francis and tell me what I did.
Thank God he didn't take pills.
Oh, just a few, that's all.
Just
Oh,
How many?
I don't remember. I don't know. There were little green ones. We grab anything out of the medicine cabinet. And don't call Francis. Promise me you won't call Francis.
Toccoa.
How many?
I don't remember.
What kind?
I don't remember what
Oh,
kind. I couldn't
Felix.
see. The lights broken. Oh, I must have been hysterical.
Open this car. Open the window. Don't give him a bear.
walking around, rubbing his Wesley, keep the circulation going.
He's up there! Oh, be all right. I'll be all right.
Calm down, will you? All the interns, shut up! We got enough doctors around here. Billy, sit down.
Don't you have something to drink or something?
Get him a drink.
Promise me you won't call Francis. If she hears I took a whole bottle of pills.
A whole bottle of pills. My dad called an ambulance.
Maury, relax. They could have been vitamins. He could be the healthiest man in the room right now.
That's true.
Nobody gonna do anything. Everybody's just gonna stand around. I'm calling a doctor.
No, no doctor.
You gotta have a
I
doctor.
don't need a doctor.
You gotta get the pills
I
out.
got him out already. I threw up before.
He threw him up.
Benny, where's that drink?
Here's your drink. Thanks, man. 12 years. 12 years we were married. Did you know we were married 12 years?
Yeah, good excitement.
And it's over. Just like that. It's over. Isn't that hysterical?
So, Felix, it could have just been right. You and Francis fight all the time.
No, no, it's over. She's getting a lawyer tomorrow. My cousin. She's using my cousin. Who am I going to get?
It's okay, Felix. Come on, take it easy.
I'll be all right, honestly.
All right, let's not just stand around staring. Let's break it up. Come
Yeah,
on.
please,
Let's
don't
go.
just stand there staring at me.
Listen, guys, let's call it a night, all right?
Promise me you won't tell anybody about this video.
I won't tell nobody about it, Felix. We're leaving for Florida. You got my word.
That's nice. We were going to go to Florida next winter without the kids. Now I guess they'll go without me.
Maybe one of us should stay.
Nah, it'll be all right, Mark.
Suppose he tries something again.
Nah, he won't try anything.
How do you know he won't try anything again?
I won't try anything. I'm very tired.
She's very tired. She's been running around all night. Leave a tip for the host.
All right, Billy. Clean it out.
Yes, if you need anything.
Just 3 blocks away. Be in 5 minutes.
Hey, if you need me, I'll be at the Meriton Motel in Miami Beach, Florida.
You'll be the first one I call, Billy.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
Good night, Felix. Try to get a good night's rest. I guarantee you things will look a lot brighter in the morning.
Felix.
No, I know. What am I going to do, officer?
I'm gonna make you a fresh pot of coffee. Come on in the kitchen.
No,
I'll sit on it.
sit down and talk to me. I didn't want this divorce, officer. You know, I love her. We have had a rotten marriage, but I still love her. I really didn't want this divorce.
Listen, Felix, I got Ovaltine. You like Ovaltine, don't you?
All right, so we didn't get along. But, you know, 2 wonderful kids and a beautiful apartment, didn't we?
Vanilla wafers, fig Newtons. I got everything, Felix.
She won't. What does any woman want?
I don't know, Felix. I just want to know what you want. Coffee, tea, Ovaltine?
It's not fair. Damn it, it's just not fair. Oh, Annette. Annette. Nurse Patrick. I can't do that. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ooh, that hurts.
Listen, all I want to do is rub it for you. Make you feel better. cello.
Yeah. I can't do it. I can't relax. Isn't that terrible?
Relax, damn it, relax!
You know, Francis says when I die, on my tombstone, it's going to say, here stands Felix Unger. Oh,
Does that hurt?
no, feels good.
Make the same sound for pain or pleasure. Make up your mind.
I know. I think I'm crazy.
Make you feel any better? I think so too.
I mean it. Why do I come up here carrying on like a nut, scaring you half to death, threatening to kill myself? What's that?
It's panic, Felix. You're a panicky person. You got a low threshold for composure. Calm down. Big man in the world with clenched hair.
I mean it, Oscar. I mean, you know I'm a crybaby.
I know.
I'm serious. I mean, who else comes up here and carries on like a moron and an idiot?
Listen, I hope this is making you feel better. I got no idea what I'm doing here.
It's just not nice, Oscar, coming up here and scaring me to death. Oh.
Hey, how's your neck now?
The next time, back hurts.
Listen, Felix, it's getting late.
You know, I can't even drink, Oscar. I tried drinking last night. It makes me sick.
Where were you last night?
Nowhere. I was just walking.
In the rain?
No, I was actually in a room. It was a dirty, depressing room over near Times Square. Couldn't sleep, so I walked around the room all night long, and I found myself next to a window, and suddenly I began to think about jumping.
Then what?
I didn't jump, but I'm still thinking about it.
Come away from that window, Felix. Here, drink this scotch.
Oscar, I don't know what to do. Tell me, what am I going to do? I don't want to have to start a whole new life.
It's been done before, Felix.
No, but how do you do it without Francis, without the kids?
Listen, Felix, there's 100,000 divorces a year. There's got to be something nice about it.
What are you doing? My ears are closing up. I'm allergic to dust. There must be all the dust in here.
Get away from that window.
I'm not going to jump. I'm just trying to breathe. I used to drive Frances crazy with my allergies. You know, I'm allergic to perfume. For a while, all she could wear was my aftershave lotion. It's a wonder she took it this long. It's impossible to be married to me.
Now,
I'm trying to create a pressure inside and get it to open my ears.
did it work?
I think so, a little bit. Only I think I strained my throat.
Felix, don't tinker. You'll hurt yourself.
I can't help it. I drive everyone crazy. A marriage counselor once kicked me out of his office. In my chart, he wrote lunatic. I mean, I'm impossible to live with.
Felix, listen, it takes two people to make a rotten marriage.
Yeah, but you don't know what I was like. See, we thought where we would write down every little thing we spent money on. You know, $1.10 for this, $5 for that, $10.50 for that. And then, there was a big fight because I said she didn't write down in the book how much the book was. Who could live with someone like that?
An accountant. Felix, come on, we all have faults.
False. False. Look, we have a maid who comes in 3 times a week to clean. On the other days, Francis does the cleaning. And then after they both cleaned up, I go in and clean after them. You know, I can't help it. I like things clean. You know, my mother, I was toilet trained 5 months old.
How do you remember a thing like that?
Nothing was ever right. Nothing was ever good enough. Frances used to cook. And the minute she would walk out of the kitchen, I was right behind her and I had salt or pepper. It's not that I didn't trust her, Oscar. It's just I'm a better cook. Well, I cooked myself out of marriage. Damn stupid idiot.
Don't do that, you'll hurt yourself.
Can't help it, Oscar. Can't stand me. I hate me. Oh, boy, do I hate me.
You don't hate you, you love you.
Don't give me that analyst jazz. I happen to know that I hate my guts.
Felix, you're the only person in the world like you. You love yourself. You love yourself more than anybody else.
I thought you were my friend.
I am your friend. That's why I can talk to you like this.
Then help me.
How can I help you? I can't even help myself. I'm divorced too, Felix. Francis used to nag and complain all the time. Don't leave cigarette burn holes in the couch. Pick up the room. How come the towels are all over the place? For our 10th wedding anniversary, Rangers game, Detroit hockey game, and you know what happened? She got hit in the face with a puck. I still can't figure out why our marriage is over, Felix. You're not the only one with problems.
Oscar, but I'm not like you. You know, I couldn't stand living all alone.
Felix, I can't stand living all alone either. When you come into 8 empty rooms every night, it hits you in the face like a wet glove. But you'll manage, Felix. You'll get by.
What am I supposed to do, Oscar? You know, they've got to fire me. I've got to work. How am I going to make a living?
Felix, you'll work. You'll stand on the street corners and cry, and people will pitch nickels at you. You'll work.
Well, I think I ought to call Francis.
What for?
Well, to talk it out again.
To talk about what? There's no words left in the entire marriage.
I can't help it, Oscar. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, where I'm supposed to go.
Felix, listen. You'll stay here tonight, and tomorrow you'll go back to your place, get your clothes and your electric toothbrush, and move in here with me.
No, I'd be in the way.
You wouldn't be in the way. I got 8 rooms. We could go a whole year without seeing each other.
I'm a pest.
I know you're a pest, Felix. You don't have to keep reminding me.
Well, then why do you want me to move in with you?
Crying out loud, Felix. I'm proposing to you. What do you want, a ring?
Well, Oscar, if you're really serious about it, you know, there's a lot I can do around here. I'm handy around the house. You know, I can fix things.
You don't have to fix things, Felix.
Well, I've got to do something. You got to let me do something.
You take my wife's initials off the towels in the bathroom.
I mean, I can cook. I'm a terrific cook.
You don't have to cook. I have cold cuts for breakfast.
Well, Oscar, you know, 2 meals at home each day will save a fortune. We do have to pay alimony, you know.
All right, you can cook.
Leg of lamb. You like leg of lamb?
I love leg of lamb.
I'll fix that for us tomorrow night.
Right.
But I need to call Frances. She's got my big pot.
Would you leave Frances alone? We'll get our own pots. Felix. Oscar here. Oh, hi, Francis.
I'm not here. You haven't seen me. You haven't heard from me. I haven't called. I'm not here.
Yeah, he's here.
How does she sound? Is she crying? Is she upset? Does she want to talk to me? I don't want to talk to her.
Yeah, he's fine.
I'm not fine. What'd you tell her I'm fine for? You saw me carried on like a nut, threatening to kill myself. I'm not fine.
Okay, yeah. Right.
Ask her if she wants to speak to me.
Do you want to speak to him?
Give me the phone. I'll talk to her.
Oh, you don't want to speak to him.
She don't want to speak to me.
I see. Really? All right, Francis. You have a good night.
She didn't want to speak to me.
No.
Well, then why did she call?
Felix, she wants to know when you're coming to get your things. She wants to have the room repainted.
Oh.
Felix, look, it's getting late. Why don't we go to bed?
Didn't want to speak to me, huh?
Felix, it's getting late. You like ducks, stripes, animals? I got all kinds of pajamas.
Pink. She'll paint the room pink.
I'm lousy with bedrooms. Which one do you want?
You know, she's really heartbroken, isn't she? I'm wanting to kill myself, and she's picking out colors.
Felix, I want you to go to bed.
You know, I'm glad. Her marriage is really over. Isn't it just this week?
Felix, let it sink in tomorrow or midnight.
You know, I don't think I believe it until just now. Her marriage is really, really over.
Felix, I make up the bedtimes. This is my house. Go to bed.
You know, I think I can live with this thing. Somehow it seems so bad.
Let it seem so bad tomorrow. Tonight, go to bed.